Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hey ForexMilitia, this is Parsival, and we are going to go over the Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week, starting with Forex. And we have the Euro Kiwi from October 20th to November the 9th. 7 years, it's in a 7-year sample, it's 80%, it's 86%. Okay, and it's 57% average, 57% profitability. Okay, let's move on to the stock, which is bullish United Health Group, and that is from October the 17th to November the 8th with an 8-year sample, and the average win is 87.5% with an average profit of 7.95%. which is nice. And then on the futures is the dollar, the Dixie, from October the 20th to November the 16th. That's a 13-year sample, and the win rate is 85% with an average profit of 82%. Okay, the probability on this is high, and the probability on the stock is medium. Okay, let's go over to the charts and see what we can see. Okay, here on the Euro Kiwi, we have an uptrend, right? It just broke to an uptrend. We have this. This actually hit a oversold point, an overbought point. I'm sorry, an overbought point. One thing I did want to see is I wanted to know if it was above or below the average. Okay, but we're going to be looking for this to go short in this area. Okay, let's move over to the stock, which is UNH. UNH basically is going to go long, bullish, and we are looking for this to come into zero. So I guess we could look for it to hit somewhere down in this area, and then we'll see if it actually goes long. But I don't want to, it's not a buy till after the earnings. So we'll see what happens on the earnings. And then the Dixie is going long. As you can see here, it's already been in an uptrend, so very possibly I could take half going in and maybe look for a retracement, and then it'll finish out higher. Okay, and with that, let's go and check out the Trademiner. The review. And with the review, I'm just going to go through these really quick. I had on 2 trades, but I don't remember. I don't think that they were actually trades for from Trademiner. Yep, I don't see them there. Let me just make sure. Australian Swissy, Cat, and the ES Mini. Okay. So these 2 trades that I took that was off of Trademiner, they actually lost. And as you can see, we was at 42,000. Now we're down to 36. And the trades that I have on now are both positive. And one is gold and one is the Aussie Kiwi. And these are not Trademiner picks, but trades outside of Trademiner. All right. But let's go over what happened last week, which is the cat. And that just came into an open, and we are going to be looking for this to go long. The ES Mini, this is going short right now, but I'm looking for it to go long, for it to finish out long. And the Aussie Swissy should also go long also. All right, JP Morgan is long also, but as you can see, it's down here in this short area. And the Euro CAD is short, and it looks like it hit a bearish order block zone. So I'm going to look to take this trade. It pulled back, and that's a lower close candle. So on Sunday, today, I will basically look to be taking this trade going short. And so with that, that is the Trademiner picks of the week plus the review. And knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. And please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And so this is Parsival signing out.